Hello, my name is Anna Cook, and this is my Module 1 for EDL 856. A little bit about me. I have been married for 3.5 years to my husband Ryan. We are both musicians. He plays piano and I play cello, and we met in the pit of a musical. So we both have musical careers, and that's a big part of our lives. We are recently expecting twin boys. They are due now in late April, so that's very exciting. We're really looking forward to that. The key thing about us, we love to travel, try new recipes, experience different cultures. That's really important to us. My current position, I live in Overland Park, Kansas, and I am an orchestra director at a 6A high school in Kansas City. Not only am I the orchestra director at the high school, but I direct my feeder middle school. So every day I see 175 kids minimum. If I do an honor orchestra once a week, then some days I'm seeing up to 200 kids daily. And so it's a lot, but it's a blast. This is my 5th year serving in the district and my 7th total in education. The past couple years, actually, since I've been starting this master's program at Fort Hays, I have been assuming several leadership roles in the district and state level on the orchestra side. Serving as the ECKMEA High School Orchestra Chair and also on the KMEA State Audition Alignment Committee. In terms of communication in Shawnee Mission, that's the district that I teach in, I like to stick to traditional methods. Skyward is our form of grading, and that is also kind of the district official form of communication that we send out to parents. So because it's how we grade, it's how we send emails, and all the parent information is registered right there. Skyward is free, and it helps us contact families and students. I also have my students join a Google Classroom for free, and that helps me contact students directly. Canva is another resource that I use. Typically, whenever I'm making a program or any kind of written contract with the kids, like an instrument contract or a syllabus or something, I sometimes will purchase a template that I think is attractive and makes sense, and so very minimal money. And Remind 101 is how I will contact students. It's free if I need to get a hold of them and send a message spur of the moment. I wish that I felt more comfortable using social media. We had some social media accounts for our orchestra program, and I actually took them down myself because the content violations I felt were pretty dicey, and it was actually violations from parents, not from students. They were bringing other concerns that had nothing to do with orchestra into that platform, and I thought that was a little inappropriate. District strategic communication policies. So I researched the Shawnee Mission Communications Department policy. I never went under any training for how I was to communicate to parents or families or kind of resources to use, but the communications department of the district uses a lot of social media, a lot of different avenues to reach parents and students. So I put their statement up here, committed to providing up-to-date information through our website, social media, local media outlets, and their own magazine. Stories are shared to spotlight terrific students, teachers, staff, and events in our school district, highlighting excellence and continuous innovation. I've worked in 6 total buildings during my 5 years at Shawnee Mission, and the building understandings just across the board is that whenever you are communicating, you are professional. They are on a timeliness schedule. So you need to be able to give parents enough notice of certain dates, and you can't send something out last minute. Accessibility, just because the students have a MacBook and an iPad provided by the district doesn't mean that they have internet at home. So you need to make these resources available offline. The teacher is responsible for whatever the teacher says. There's not really a forgiving undo button when it comes to technology. So I have to stand by whatever I send out. And ultimately that it's relevant and positive for the demographic that we're trying to reach. Even if it's a neutral statement or enforcing a policy, making sure that it's relevant to the current topic at hand and that you are representing our district and Shawnee Mission positively. So thanks for watching.